setting or shut down the permit pump because we reach to dangerous value.
The PT is 901.
value.
Yeah, I'm not able to see alarm.
Yeah, I told you that.
Okay, you return. Right, you are writing the.
No, the code philosophy will show this.
So it's not written here. In the note is there?
Yeah, note 7 it is given.
Education alarm.
No, alarm is not written.
The alarm is not mentioned, you have to mention.
Yeah, I think we need to provide. I take on the alarm.
Actually, this part we have many things, so we cannot show all in the B100.
No
So
problem.
that's why it will be.
But put on the notes, no?
In
The note you can put.
the
Note.
code philosophy.
In the note you can put.
I'm
Anywhere you are putting,
PAH.
you can put. Oh, I don't agree with this. You cannot put everything on the PID. If it is not in the PID, it's not in the control philosophy as well. So everything, whatever is there, all the control, all the logic should be there in
No.
the PID.
No.
Either in terms of the depiction or in terms of notes.
No, for the
We have come up to here.
You will find.
And now with this one, this can also get closed, right?
You cannot.
BFB
When
901.
permit will stop, then this all is closed.
Okay, you depict on the PID, should be actually reflected there.
No.
No, but I mean, for no flow scenario, BFB.
What's number 8 also? What's that one? Number 8 or the authorized one? Okay, no.
No, notes is not.
Okay, maybe we have another.
There will be,
I have taken recommendation, Ahmed. You can provide the alarm in the note somewhere. Now I want to
We
understand.
have another things also.
All the notes there.
No, go down to number 5 also.